That way. Lean forward.
Get that.
That way.
Okay, that way.
All the way to the wall. Look where you want to go. Sit up straight. There you go. You use your legs too. Can you make him jog? Stop jogging in your seat. Oh, he's not listening. Come back this way. That's not jogging.
I don't know.
Wiggle in your seat.
Wiggle.
Go. Pick up the end of the reins with the other hand. Pick it up and pretend you're going to smack him. Oh yeah, he's scared. Come back this way. He's going to go park. Go like this with the reins. Smack him. Come on, buddy. Come back. Lean forward and kick. Both feet. Whack, whack. Good. Keep going.
Ow.
Keep going. Don't stop. Sit. And make him stop. Make him back up. With your feet. Lean back. Mom, pull the reins a little. There you go. Good. Stop. Good. Give him a pat. Good wild black stallion.